This is my Victorinox Swiss card Lite. It's a plastic made very slim card which contains many tools inside it. As you can see, it's semi-transparent, so you can see all the tools inside the card. It also has a magnifying glass. You can see it here, magnifying glass. Okay, well, now you see it also has a ruler. It's the ruler. Now I will show you the tools inside of it. Here you get a ball pen. See the ball pen there? Okay. This is a knife, small knife. These are pincers. You remove them from here. It also has a small pin here, you see? It's maybe quite useful sometimes, this small pin. Okay, we also get scissors, a four-head screwdriver. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4 different heads. Plus, you get a nice torch. See the battery here and see the LED of the torch. I will show you how this works. You light it up. It's quite powerful for its size and very convenient for the night. This is a 3-volt lithium battery. It is replaceable, it's not rechargeable. Okay, as you can see, it's really slim. Notice the size plus how slim and light it is. It's like a credit card. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video.